In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list in Kit. We're going to walk through a simple way to set up a waiting list using tags so you can easily track and organize people who are interested in a future product, launch, or project. By the end, you'll have a clear system in place inside Kit that you can reuse for any new idea you're testing. The first thing we want to do is create a dedicated tag for your waiting list. Tags are really useful in Kit because they let you group subscribers based on their interests or actions. In this case, the tag will mark anyone who has joined your waiting list so you can email them separately later or move them into automations when you're ready to launch. Start by heading into your Kit account, and from the main navigation, go to Grow. Then choose Subscribers. This is where all your people are stored and where you can manage segments, tags, and other ways of organizing your audience. Once you're on the subscribers page, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You should see an option that says Create a Tag. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small form where you can define exactly what you want this new tag to be. Now it's time to name your tag. Use a clear, descriptive name like Waiting List, your project. For example, if you're launching a new course, you might call it Waiting List Course Launch or Waiting List Summer Product Drop. The key is to make it obvious at a glance what this tag is for, especially if you plan to create multiple waiting lists over time. Taking a moment to name it well will make things much easier later when you're building email campaigns, filters, or automations. You'll be able to quickly find the right tag and avoid accidentally mixing people from different waiting lists. After you've typed in the name, simply click Save. Kit will create the tag and add it to your list of available tags. From this point on, you can apply this tag to subscribers manually through forms or inside automation workflows whenever someone signs up to hear about that specific project. That's all you need to do to create the foundation of your waiting list in Kit. With this tag in place, you now have a clean, trackable way to collect interest, keep those people organized, and follow up with them when you're ready to launch.